Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Stock Chart Trends. So today we have pretty significant news overall. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, that SPY is going down. So today it's at 322 because I was checking that everything is going down and down again, and I was giving signals also on stock tweets and generally on stock tweets, not on Twitter. Twitter right now not working. So uh, what will happen for the next month? Because today everything will change. Today month is changing, day is changing, and even week is changing. So Monday will be like a fresh start, maybe. Hopefully we can get something better moves than this week. So, but first of all, I think Spy may try to go back to like 335 zone, try to touch that zone again before going more lower. I think we will touch like 350, 335 or 333 area again before lowering it down more. So and let's see the daily chart for SPY right now. So SPY right now, man, like in 15-minute chart, SPY just jumped it from like 322 to 328 area, like 327. Then it tried to break that area, but I think at the end of the it didn't closed up like above then this line. We are a little bit shy from that line. I think that will be the best signal for next week or next month. Let's see the daily chart first. So daily chart is totally bearish. I think we may try to go to 313 area again, or we may test 330 or maybe 335 area again before going to lower, like 319 or 313 maybe. Maybe the next for SPY. So let's see the weekly chart for SPY. So weekly, yeah, weekly is also totally bad. I think weekly closes at 326, same like 54. But if you see, we have broken this support, this one, this support we have broken. So I think that is a bad signal for the next week. Today we jumped from this weekly like near around 322 area, and we have normal zone at 321.19 first SPY, and then we have one spot at 315 also, and one is 313. Then we have at 308. But if next week we can get some move back, like we can go above that, for the positive scenario for the bulls, I can say, if we can go a little bit upper, like that 339 area will be significant for the next week. So if we can close 339 and above next week, then we have to look for that triangle again, like triangle will break at 351 or 352. So we have to look for that area also, but that needs a lot of buying pressure also. But next week we have election results also, so let's see how market will react to the elections. Let's see the monthly. So monthly, uh, let me go this way. Even on monthly, it's just shying around the area. If you see, I have marked one trend line here. So monthly is above, like it's not above, like it's laying on that support. So if you want to go above that support area, then we need to be upper. We need to close next month over 333 area, or maybe more. So let's see what will happen next month. I think we may go up, then drop, then at the month end we may go up. I don't know, but this is only like predictions, not those are not real results. So trade, you are trading for yourself, so don't go by anyone else strategy. So be careful when you're trading. So on the stocks end, let's discuss Walmart. If you have seen on my stock tweets, my account is sack boys, I think 1900, like that. So I have mentioned like we may touch 137 area, and we touched it today. So I think that's how the normal line works here. Like we touched the normal line and we went down, and then that normal line went acted as a support, and we went up, which is good. Like, but I think if next week will be more. We have more beers next week. We may try to go to 135 area again. So if we that area can act as support, then that will be good. If for the bull side, we need to cross this 144 at least. I think next week 144 area next week, because that's how we can break the this like triangle, right angle triangle, I think. So but it will be more good if we can touch this area, then we can go up rather than just going up from here. So that's what my prediction is. So let's see the weekly candle right now on Walmart. So yeah, even weekly looks pretty bad here. If you see, so weekly is dropped from this support area. So that's clear. I think we may touch 135 on weekly. If you see the other like the normal line is at 131 or 132 area. So let's see if we can like that normal line act as a support, or this like this trend line act as a support. So we have to see those things. Let's see what will it shows on monthly, because month is changing. That concerns me most, rather than weekend, like daily. Yeah, even on monthly we are in triangle. Then if we lose this 134 zone at the month end, yeah man, that will be disaster. But I don't think we can go that low, around 112 area. Let's see what will happen to Walmart next month. The next talk I want to discuss is let's discuss Facebook maybe. Yeah, Facebook is totally disaster. After good earning, it just went disaster. Like if you see the monthly, we just dropped it from this like the we are still in downtrend. So for to break that downtrend, we need to close above than 286 next month. But somehow, like maybe due to the elections, we are getting negative support, or we are not getting any buyers for Facebook, which is a main concern. I think we may see moves next week, or maybe next month, as elections are over. or let's see who wins, and what will they decide on Facebook or Twitter or those accounts generally. That I think that is the main concern. That's why people are waiting for that. So, and let's see the weekly candle for Facebook. So Facebook even weekly broke the previous support. Now we are still in downtrend, and before we had this line as a upper trend, but we broke that. I think we may touch 250 or 48 area again before going higher. Thanks, man. Thanks, higher masters. I see your comment. Thank you. I'm just trying for myself. uh, let's see the daily. On daily, yeah, it's same thing like 240. I can see 248 area, but if we can hold 260 area, and it will try to go back again to 275, then we may see a right falling wedge. Then we may can break that. But I think everything is going down. That is the main concern for traders right now. Please mention here any stocks you want to discuss, so I will include in next video. Maybe I will go live stream maybe tomorrow, because this is a long weekend. I can go live like 2 or 3 times. So please mention your stocks in comments, so I can get into those one by one again. Thank you. This is the end of video. Thank you very much.